Later, yeah.
Now, first the cloud is a tiny ball. Then the cloud begins larger and larger till it turns, then touches the ground. Goes lower, first lower, 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 touchdown! The view of the tornado spins 20 miles. Or 100 miles. It can rip houses, twist trees, homes can be interrupted, crash, circle around. And trucks can be tossed into trees. Now, view of a tornado. It can suck up raw. It can suck up your dishes. It can suck up your books. It can suck up almost the whole world. When the tornado is done, it could be a lot of damage. Like all that damage.
Oh, it's a lot of damage.